Welcome, everyone. Today we continue our series on enzymes with part 2. In this presentation, we will explore two fundamental concepts in medicinal biochemistry, isoenzymes and coenzymes. These biomolecules play a crucial role not only in metabolic processes, but also in clinical diagnosis and therapeutic applications. Understanding their structure, function, and clinical significance allows us to bridge the gap between basic biochemistry and modern medicine. By the end of this session, you should be able to clearly define isoenzymes and coenzymes and understand their distinguishing features. We will examine how isoenzymes are used in diagnostic and therapeutic contexts and how coenzymes function at a biochemical level. Additionally, we will discuss the clinical consequences of coenzyme deficiencies, particularly those arising from vitamin deficiencies. Enzymes are biological catalysts that accelerate chemical reactions without being consumed in the process. They are highly specific to their substrates, often described by the lock and key or induced fit models. Enzymes function efficiently under physiological conditions such as normal body temperature and pH. Importantly, many enzymes require non-protein helpers, such as cofactors or coenzymes, to achieve full catalytic activity. Isoenzymes, also known as isozymes, are different molecular forms of the same enzyme that catalyze an identical chemical reaction. Despite performing the same function, they differ in their amino acid sequences, structural configuration, and kinetic properties. These variations allow isoenzymes to be distributed in a tissue-specific manner, making them extremely valuable in clinical diagnostics. Isoenzymes are typically encoded by different genes or gene combinations, which leads to variations in their structure. These differences result in distinct electrophoretic mobility, allowing them to be separated and identified in laboratory tests. Their tissue-specific expression patterns make them particularly useful in determining the origin of cellular damage, thereby aiding in precise diagnosis. A classic example of isoenzymes is lactate dehydrogenase, or LDH, which exists in 5 distinct forms, LDH1 through LDH5. These isoenzymes are composed of different combinations of subunits and are distributed across various tissues. For instance, LDH1 is predominant in the heart, while LDH5 is found mainly in the liver and skeletal muscle. By analyzing the pattern of LDH isoenzymes in the blood, clinicians can identify the specific tissue undergoing damage. Isoenzymes play a critical role in clinical diagnostics, particularly in identifying organ-specific damage. In myocardial infarction, or heart attack, there is a significant increase in CKMB and LDH1 levels. In liver diseases, enzymes such as ALT and AST are elevated, and their patterns help distinguish liver injury from other conditions. Similarly, elevated CKMMM levels indicate muscle damage or disorders. Thus, isoenzymes provide a powerful tool for accurate and early diagnosis. Beyond diagnosis, isoenzymes are increasingly important in therapeutic applications. Drugs can be designed to selectively target specific isoenzymes, thereby minimizing side effects and improving treatment efficacy. Enzyme replacement therapy is another approach used in certain metabolic disorders where specific enzymes are deficient. Furthermore, isoenzymes are integral to the development of precision medicine, where treatments are tailored to individual biochemical profiles. Coenzymes are organic, non-protein molecules that bind to enzymes and assist in catalysis. Unlike enzymes, they are not consumed permanently, but may undergo temporary chemical changes during reactions. Most coenzymes are derived from vitamins, particularly those of the B-complex group. Without coenzymes, many enzymes remain inactive, highlighting their essential role in biochemical reactions. Coenzymes can be broadly classified based on their function. Oxidation reduction coenzymes, such as NAD+ and FAD, are involved in electron transfer reactions. Group transfer coenzymes, such as Coenzyme A, facilitate the transfer of functional groups like acetyl groups. Other coenzymes, such as thiamine pyrophosphate derived from vitamin B1, play specialized roles in metabolic pathways. Each coenzyme is uniquely suited to its biochemical function. Coenzymes are central to metabolism. They act as carriers of electrons, protons, and chemical groups, enabling complex biochemical reactions to proceed efficiently. For example, NAD plus and FAD participate in cellular respiration by transporting electrons to the electron transport chain, ultimately leading to ATP production. Coenzyme A plays a key role in fatty acid metabolism in the Krebs cycle. Thus, coenzymes are indispensable for energy production and metabolic integration. Since many coenzymes are derived from vitamins, their deficiency leads to significant clinical conditions. A deficiency of vitamin B1 results in Beriberi, characterized by neurological and muscular impairments. Vitamin B3 deficiency causes Pellagra, which presents with dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Similarly, vitamin B2 deficiency leads to Ariboflavinosis, marked by inflammation of the mouth and skin. These diseases illustrate the critical importance of coenzymes in maintaining normal physiological function. The study of isoenzymes and coenzymes has profound clinical implications. Isoenzymes enable early detection of diseases and help monitor the effectiveness of treatment. Coenzymes provide insight into metabolic disorders and nutritional deficiencies. Together, they form a crucial link between laboratory biochemistry and clinical practice, enhancing our ability to diagnose, treat, and prevent disease. In summary, isoenzymes are different forms of the same enzyme that allow for tissue-specific diagnosis and targeted therapy. Coenzymes, on the other hand, are essential organic molecules that assist enzymes in carrying out biochemical reactions. Both play vital roles in metabolism, clinical diagnostics, and human health. A thorough understanding of these concepts is fundamental to the study and application of medicinal biochemistry. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and enable the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you.